bought a camcorder. The children had a race, then made a video. Smile, everyone, said Dad. Then went to the sports day. He took the camcorder. He made a video of Wilma. It was Joe's wedding. Dad took the camcorder. He made a video of the wedding. It was Mom and Dad's anniversary. Wilma watched to make a video that showed Wilma the camcorder. It's easy, said Dad. Wilma made a video. It's easy, said Wilma. Smile, please, said Will. The children watched the race. They watched the sports day. They watched Joe's wedding. They laughed at Wilma's video. They went to the tree house. Wilma wanted to make a video. They let her use the camcorder. Wilma made a video. She showed two men. They are burglars. They were burglars. The burglars were running away. Wilma made a video of them. Call the police, she shouted. Dad got the phone. He called the police. Wilma got the burglars on video. The police came. They watched the video. Well done, said the police. The police caught the burglars. Thank you, said the police. Bye-bye.